Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we see how to see automatic dubbing stats in YouTube Studio. So let's start. I'm here on my YouTube channel, and then let's go to the left side, right side in the top right corner there where is our icon. Just click here, and then let's go to YouTube Studio. And here on YouTube Studio, just let's go to the left side and let's go to analytics here, and then just click here on advanced mode in the right corner here, and we have here the different options that you can see. So let's go to the more one, and then you can see here the audio track if you prefer. In my case, I don't have it because, as you see, well, I don't have videos yet. But well, if you have it, you just can select the one that you prefer. And for example, I will put translation use, and here you can see the translation metric that you have. You can select it and see how well the language that it's for your YouTube channel. As you see, well, as I don't have video, it doesn't appear here, but you can select your video or you can select whatever you prefer to see it. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.